Okay, family, this is what we're going to need. Sister Pam so kindly cut up the potatoes. Thank you, sis.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sis. But if you're going to cut potatoes up and leave them out for a minute, just cover them with water because they turn brown too. But we're going to go ahead and use these potatoes. And this is about maybe 3 pounds, I would say, of potatoes. And I'm going to put the recipe to this candy yams. I'm going to put the recipe to this candy yam so you'll know how to do it. But we have now, y'all know candy yams is sweet and it takes a lot of sugar. So we're going to do 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. We have cinnamon, nutmeg, we have a stick of butter and vanilla flavor. So what I'm going to do, and salt. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead, I like to mix my sugar and my all of my cinnamon and nutmeg. I like to mix that in one bowl so I can just go ahead and layer this. So let's go ahead and get this mixed up. Easy candy yam, y'all. And I asked sis to cut the potatoes thick because I don't like my potatoes to cook away. I like my potatoes to have a little texture on them. So cut them thick and you'll get a good texture. And you know how sometimes candy yam, if you overcook them, they just turn to mush. I don't like that. Okay. So y'all, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and just add our 2 cups of sugar. I know it seems like a lot. 1 cup of brown sugar. We're going to add our cinnamon, and I'll give you the measurements. We're going to add our nutmeg in there. And we're also going to add a teaspoon of salt. Okay. Now we're going to just get this all mixed up. So we can just go ahead and put this on our potatoes as we layer them. Okay. And this is about what I use. So if you like yours a little bit sweeter, you can, have yours a little bit sweeter. And if you don't want as much sugar, you can go ahead. But y'all, candy yam is not for the faint of heart. And it will break the diet, I'm telling you, because it's a lot of sugar. So you're going to need the sugar because you're going to need that candied syrup on your potatoes. So you all know about candy yam. You know how many calories it's probably got in it. But this is an old favorite for the holidays. Okay. There you go. And you can use the dark brown sugar, but I believe in using what I have. I don't believe in going out buying things that I don't really need. So I have light brown sugar, and I'm using my light brown sugar, but you can use a dark brown packed sugar, but this was light brown packed sugar. It's going to serve the same purpose for me. Okay, family, this is Old Faithful, and I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of water, and you really, really have to be careful with your water because of the potatoes make water. So what we're going to do, we're going to layer these. Going to layer them on the bottom like so. I know y'all said these are so thick. Yes, that's how we like them. We're going to layer these just like that. Have me that set. After you get a layer on, take your mixture and pour it on top of your candy yam. Now sometimes y'all, I'll let my water boil down with all my cinnamon and everything in it. I'll let my water go ahead and boil down, but we're going to do this a little bit different today. And make sure you don't add a lot of water in here because it's funny how potatoes make water, isn't it, sis?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So let's go ahead and add some on top. I would say about 2 tablespoons of water. And to me, this is the easy way. Now, if you want to make your sauce, you can just omit putting your potatoes in and just go ahead and turn it on and make your sauce and pour it over your potatoes and put it in the oven if that's the way you want to do that. This is going to take a while. Okay. Let's go in with some more butter. Just stick the butter randomly everywhere you want to stick it. we're gonna pour. I got 2. I love a lot of vanilla, y'all. So I have 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Okay. So we still got to get all of this sugar on. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn this down on low. You don't have to put a top on right now, but if you want to get the heat going real fast, sister, you'll give me a cloth so I can clean it. If you want to get the heat going real quick, you can put your top on them, but let's go ahead and turn these on. Okay, y'all, so to get the candy yams started, I am going to put the top on there for a few minutes and to get them started cooking. And I would suggest that you start it on maybe a medium heat, and that's going to get them cooking. Get your potatoes. Okay. Okay, family, our candied yams are ready, and this is how they look. So we're gonna go ahead and plate these up. And you see the reason I wanted to cut them a little bit bigger, because sometimes when you're cooking candy yam, they will overcook. So I go ahead and cut them big. So let's go ahead and plate some of these delicious candy yams up. Okay, family, here they are. Easy candy yams with thick syrup on them, and that's the way I like them. And but you all go ahead and try this recipe. It's so easy to make, and these would be nice on your dinner table. And if you want less syrup on your plate, use a spoon like this. But if you want more of the syrup on your plate, use this spoon right here. So let's go ahead and give these a bite.